Hello beautiful people. So maybe you have gray hair, or maybe your hair is not that black, or maybe you have a different dye and would like to go back to black. So today I want to show you how I use the black shampoo to make my hair look this black and shiny. So let's get to it. I'll be using 2 sachets, and if you have longer hair you'll be using more. And I also require a bowl for mixing. I'll require this comb to apply, and also a pair of scissors, and I'll also need this plastic cup. You can also do a plastic paper bag, and also a pair of gloves. Then I'll be putting on this pair of gloves. I'm going to use the scissors to cut the sachets, then pour it on the bowl. And then I'll mix it for some time. And then I'm going to apply it all over my hair. Then you're going to massage so that it can apply all over your hair. I'm now going to cover my hair with this plastic bag and then give it 5 to 10 minutes. It's already 10 minutes guys, so now I'm going to wash it with just a little amount of shampoo, and I'll be back. I'll be right back. I'm back. So this is how it looks like.